Hello children, how are you? We all know that there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. But you know that these vowels has 2 types of sounds. Yeah, each of the vowel sounds in 2 ways: short sound and long sound. Yeah, today let's learn about short and long sound of vowel A. So let's come. Kids, long vowel sounds sound like you are saying the letter itself. Long vowel sounds are created by placing 2 vowels together or ending the word with an E. And the short vowel sounds occur when the letter is not pronounced the way it sounds. Its short vowel sounds happen when a vowel is placed next to a consonant. So kids, here we can see 2 spellings, T-A-P and T-A-P-E. So in the spelling T-A-P-E, we can see the vowel E at the end of the spelling. So let's see the magic of vowel E. Now we all know that if there is vowel E at the end of our word, the short sound of vowel A becomes long. Yes, kids, the short sound of vowel A is A, and the long sound of vowel A is A. Okay, so let's read T-A-P-E. It will be take, take, and the rest one will be containing short sound T-A-P, tap, but T-A-P-E, tape. Can you hear the full sound of A? Long sound A. Kids, we have some other words for the same vowel, vowel A. How we will pronounce C-A-N? Yes, very good. It will be can. Short sound of vowel A is A, can. But C-A-N-E will be cane, cane. Can you hear its long sound? That is A, C-A-N-E, cane. Now we can see P-A-N. So sound will be A, pan, pan. But in the spelling of P-A-N-E, its sound will be A, pain, pain. It's how we will pronounce B-A-T. Is this bait? No, this is bed. Sound A, bed. And how we will pronounce W-A-K-E? Yeah, very good. Wake. This is not wake, this is wake. Long sound of A. And this is the magic of vowel E at the end. Now here, C-A-T, Kate. Is this Kate? No. The sound of vowel A will be A. Why? Because there is no vowel at the end of the word and no vowel with this vowel A, so its sound will be short. That is A. So C-A-T, cat. But how we will pronounce C-A-K-E? Is this cake? No. Its sound will be long now. This will be cake, C-A-K-E, cake. Okay, so now you tell me how we will pronounce F-A-N. We don't have vowel E at the end of this word, and we don't have any other vowel with this vowel A. So its sound will be short. A, F-A-N. Fan. Now you tell me, what will be F-A-C-E? Is this face? No. This is face. F-A-C-E. Face. Long sound. Kids, now you tell me, how we will pronounce D-A-D? Yeah, very good. It will be dad. Dad. And how we will pronounce G-A-M-E? Is this game? No. Very good. It will be game. G-A-M-E. Game. Yes, here N-A-P. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. And N-A-P-E. Nap. Is this also nap? No. We can see the vowel E at the end of this word. So let's see its magic. This word is nape. Kids, do you know the meaning of nape? Yeah, this is the back of our neck. Now kids, C-A-P, cap. This is cap. What will be C-A-P-E? This is cape. Cape. Kids, cape is the loose, long, sleeveless cloth. Okay? This is cape, not cap. Here we can see two more spellings. G-A-P, gap. There are G-A-P, gap. But what will be G-A-P-E? Yeah, long sound of vowel A. Gape. This is not gap. This is gape. Gape. Okay? Bye.